Hey everybody, my name is Gene Marks. I write about business every day for the Washington Post. I also write weekly for Forbes Magazine, Inc. Magazine, and Entrepreneur Magazine. And I'm here at the Bankers Healthcare Group because I want to talk to you about a very, very important issue, and that's getting a loan. If you're running a small business, or look, even if you're just a freelancer or an independent licensed healthcare professional, at some point you're going to need some financing. And when it comes time for that financing, you're going to want it quick. So let me give you some advice on how to get a quick loan, or at least to speed up the approval process. Number one, make sure that you can service your loan, which basically means that you want to go through the calculations, do the math to ensure to yourself and whoever is doing the financing that you have got the ability to pay back the loan. Run a sample cash flow forecast, get your accountant involved, look at your revenues, look at your expenses. Just ensure that whatever your loan amount is, whatever the monthly payments are, you're going to be able to service it. Don't make that mistake. Number two, make sure that you can answer all questions about your business. There is nothing that will hurt your credibility more than when a potential financer has questions about how you do business, who your clients are, who your patients are, where you're going, what your forecasts are, what you're all about, that you stumble around and you can't answer those questions. Also make sure that your corporate structure is up to date and hasn't expired, because that's a common problem and that could really turn off a potential banker that wants to loan you money. And finally, just as important, get all of your paperwork together. Make sure that you've got tax returns ready to go. Make sure that you've looked at your credit reports as well. Make sure that you've got your bank statements ready. These are the kinds of things that any potential banker is going to ask you for. Have them at the ready and be ready to submit them and be able to explain them and understand them. So let me recap for you. Number one, be sure that you can support your debt payments. Very, very important. Number two, make sure that you know your business very well and can answer questions about it. And number three, have all the paperwork together and ready to go. This will speed up the process for getting approval. It will make your life a lot easier. You'll get the financing that you need and you can move on. Hope this information is helpful. You can find out a lot more information. I'm writing a bunch of content at bankershealthcaregroup.com. Come and check me out. Again, my name is Gene Marks. See you later.